By combining traditional editing techniques with modern technology, Quill Editing offers an integral experience that impersonal AI simply cannot offer: the human touch. Nuance, ambiguity, and metaphor form the backbone of human experience, all of which extend beyond the reach of algorithms, and all of which can enrich your writing. eQuill offers 3 packages specially tailored to meet demand on a continuum from basic proofreading to developmental literary editing for those who write fiction. Perhaps you're happy with the style of your piece and just want a second body to check for errors in spelling, grammar, and punctuation, in which case the proofreading package is best suited to you. Besides spelling, grammar, and punctuation, we will also provide feedback on the structure of your text and the coherence of your argument. We will not rewrite anything. All suggested amendments take the form of annotations and must be approved by you, so you can rest assured the writing remains your own. Perhaps you don't like the style of your piece, or you're just not confident with writing. We understand that words aren't everyone's cup of tea, so our Proofreading Plus package includes a complete rewrite of your text. You will need to provide us with a first draft, but don't worry, we just need a template from which to work. We want to ensure we are consistently capturing your intended meaning. The package also includes basic formatting and one final opportunity for further minor adjustments to your edited project. Essays, brochures, and pamphlets are all things we can help you with, but if you're unsure about a piece, then get in touch. Our creative package is reserved for creative writing only: fictional prose, drama, and poetry. We'll provide feedback on technical elements of your project, such as plot, story and pace, dialogue, characterization, form and genre, and its suitability for your intended readership. You will also be offered tailored marketing and publishing advice so that your project reaches the right people. We want you to feel confident in showing your work to those who are as passionate and particular about writing as we are. As a writer, you know that every word counts. So to help you in honing your writing, we also provide 5 pages of closed annotation to ensure conciseness, consistency, and immersion on every page. Once you've had the opportunity to revise your project, we offer 1 free hour-long appointment for further feedback. You can find out more about packages and prices on our website by visiting www.electricquillediting.co.uk. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, Blue Sky, and YouTube, where we regularly post updates about our ongoing projects and interviews with our authors.